Now we are going to solve the problem number 8. Okay, I will read out the problem. Calculate the time required for 60% of the sample of radon undergo decay. Here the half-life of the radon is given. Its value is 3.8 days. First I will write the half-life period of the radon. Okay, half-life of the radon is 3.8 days. Therefrom we have to calculate the decay constant. Disintegration constant formula is 0.6931 divided by half-life must be written. So if it is substituted, 0.6931 divided by 3.8, it must be written. Since it is in the form of days, the unit of decay constant must be written as per day. That is the unit of decay constant. Okay. Now, the amount of sample disintegrated. From the problem, what you have understood now, the amount of sample disintegrated. How much percentage? You read the problem, there you can find out. Amount of sample disintegrated is how much? 60%. So, 60% must be written. Amount of sample present now. Amount of sample present at that instant is, how will you calculate? Remaining 40%. 40% of the original amount, that is N naught. Original amount of the sample to be taken as N naught. Original amount of the sample, that is before the disintegration start, how much amount of percentage? 100%. That should be taken as N naught. So all details are written here. We know the law of radioactivity. According to the law of disintegration. Law of disintegration. What is the formula? Very fundamental formula is N is equal to N naught e power of minus lambda t is the formula. So here N by N naught must be written. Are you clear? N by N naught can be cross multiplied. Here N naught is known. Clear? This N naught is known. This is to be taken as N. Are you clear? So instead of N, substitute this. 40%, 40 divided by 100. Totally 100 to be taken. 40 divided by 100 must be taken. Are you clear? 40 divided by 100, it is written in terms of percentage. 40 divided by 100 into, what is this? N naught, which is equal to N naught e power of minus lambda t. Now N naught can be cancelled. So what is the remaining factor? E power of minus lambda t is equal to 40 divided by 100. So this is the formula. Now this factor to be reciprocated. Are you clear? So here 100 divided by 40 is equal to e power of plus lambda t. In that format we can write. 1 0 can be cancelled. So the factor, that one becomes 10 by 4. On either side we have to take log. 10 by 4 is equivalent to 2.5. 2.5 is equal to e power of lambda t. On either side you take log. Log to the base e 2.5 is equal to log to the base e power of lambda t. So that is the next formula. So what is required? The time taken. Are you clear? The time required for 60% of the sample undergo for decay, that is to be found out. The time taken required for 60% of the sample of radon undergo decay to be found out. So here the thing is, the values, first it should be written in log to the base e. Here the RHS factor, that one becomes lambda t, because log to the base e power of lambda t is lambda t. Are you clear? Now here in LHS part, base is e, that should be converted into the base 10. So what we have to do? I'll write it here, 2.303 log to the base 10 2.5 is equal to lambda t. In that format we can write. So what is required? T is required. So T is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10 2.5 whole divided by lambda can be written. Already lambda is found out. Are you clear? So in the next step, 2.303 log to the base 10 2.5. Log of 2.5 value must be known. Its value is, that is to be found out from the log book. Okay. And then here log of 10 2.5 must be written whole divided by here lambda, the lambda value to be substituted here 0.6931. This value is substituted. After that here this value must be reciprocated. 3.8 0.6931 divided by 3.8 must be substituted. The next step we can write like this: 2.303 into log to the base 10 2.5 whole divided by 0.6931. This 3.8 that could be taken to the denominator. Are you clear? From the log book, are you clear? From the log book, find out the value of log of 2.5 and calculate. Finally, the answer will be 5.023 days. So this is the final answer. So what this answer that indicates? It indicates that the time required for 60% of the sample of the radon to undergo decay is how much? 5.023 days. Okay.